At kagabi,
Fiang, Jan, Jazz, you are nominated this week.
muling pinangalanan ang mga nominado para sa linggong ito. Ang nagbigayan ng puntos sa isa't isa na sila Jazz at Fiang ay tila hindi nagpansinan.
Kaya ko yan. Hindi mo kailangan magpakalugmok. Dapat happy pa din. Kasi everything's happened for a reason.
Ay, buhay.
Kita naman ang kalungkutan kay Jan na unang beses na napabilang sa mga nominado.
Malungkot po kuya at mabigat kasi kasali po ako sa nominado ngayon kuya.
Hindi pa kaya.
Gusto ko pa pong magstay dito sa bahay niyo kuya.
What's wrong? Sad ka?
Hindi. Ikaw. Kaya natin to. Kaya. Kaya. Masaya ba eh?
Nung sinabi na ni Miss Bianca,
Di pa rin nakikitaan ng mga kasama ng pagiging genuine or totoo.
alam ko na kuya na, nako, ako na naman to.
Ate Jazz, how you feeling, Ate Jazz?
Sabi ko, this is me again.
I mean, like, this is really me. So if you can't take it,
Hindi, wag.
oo, parang make an effort also to get to know me if you want. You can't judge me. I mean, honestly, not everyone here in this house really knows my full story. It's 24 years of my life. I can't all share it in one sitting or like, ganun. But, you know, if you really want to get to know me, I'm always like one talk away, like, if you have questions.
Until now, you still think na I'm not genuine enough. Maybe hindi lang talaga sila sanay na may gantong personality or hindi pa nila ako lubos na kilala. I mean, I don't even know myself yet 100%.
Na-ready ko na sarili ko before patawagin kahit si Fiang. Sabi ko, parte na ako ng mga nominado this week.
This is who I am, so I won't change naman. Just for them to feel satisfied or just to fit in.
I mean, get to know me if you want. I mean, I can't share naman my whole 24 years of existence in one day, one sitting, or even like a month. Bakit naman yun? Lahat ba? Story ko lang? Or gano'n? Bilis lang naman ako kausap.
I wanna get to know you more. Joke. Commercial lang.
I always do everything with good intentions. I have to rationalize everything. I think it's required because I grew up here in that certain household to be very cautious.
Maya-maya, ang kapwang nominadong si Jan naman ang kinausap ni Jazz.
Bata pa ko, parang gi-program ko sa kumam to be perfect. Alam mo yun, parang I'm the girl, I'm the eldest, sa mom na ako. So parang she wanted, in a sense, it was a part of my life na parang you're not allowed to make mistakes. Because if you make a mistake, ingani ka, like, ilado ka, ingana ka. So, I was young, naano ko yung mga ingana. That's why, siguro karon careful pud ko, whatever I say, whatever I, Because of course, ma-realize po ni mo na lahat of feelings.
True.
Lahat of upbringing. So, maybe for me, or maybe for you, normal lang ng ingana. Pero para na ako, dili. Kaya wala mo nanan. Ingana ba?